Welcome to my office. Thank you for staying tuned. On this series now, I'll be taking you to the lecture. I will be doing the cost and profit analysis and also be lecturing how you can plant from the one to the day of harvest. Even if we don't come to your farm, you can do this on your own. But it will be best for you to come so that we can train you properly on it. But follow me on this video, you will not regret you did. Now we'll be going straight to the lecture. Thank you. Alright, market demand. Now actually, you can't meet up with the demand of plantain presently in Nigeria. Even in Lagos State, you can't meet up with the demand. I got a client from Abuja who wanted me to be supplying plantain. I said, my brother, hold on. I got an appointment from South Africa. Yes, 2018. And he asked us to bring an order. I said, how many do you need? He said, if we can get like two drum. The container, that big container, I said, oh my God. That is why we are calling you to come and, put into plantation. Now see, for example, you get your plantain. You can decide to sell your plantain as its raw products. Now, if you want to increase your profits, you can also go for further processing. For example, we have our plantain chips. Now this is it. You get it now? You get it now? Now we are partnering with another company. So we supply them plantain and they produce chips. Now, if we are supposed to, now remember I said that our market price is actually 600 per one. Now you understand? Now if we are going to convert this and do processing on chips, now we are going to get ×2 of our return per bunch. Are you getting me now? All right. Now also you can also do plantain flour, which is very rich in iron. And some of these are canned food that is causing cancer all over the places. So it's good that we become natural. I'll be showing you in the farm how natural we flow. So this is on the market demand. So you cannot meet up with the demand. You can also do your own research and check for demand of plantain. It's on the high side. Also, we're talking about the demand, the market demand. Let's consider Gary in Nigeria. It's all over the place. It's carbohydrates. If you come over the medical professions, you see all what you are looking. They're all carbohydrate, cassava. But you see plantain, when it's processed into plantain flour, it's rich in iron. If you ask any medical person, they will tell you that is the best meat for every community or society. You understand? So you can process either to plantain chips, like I said earlier. You can process to plantain flour. It sells even more than semovita. Yes! You understand? So you can do your process. So there is high demand for plantation in Nigeria and beyond. Alright? So that is for that. Let me quickly move over to the profit analysis. Can we go for that? Okay. Now follow me. Alright. Come. Now we are talking about now the profit analysis. Now follow me closely. Now, first, you get your land. You get your land. Now, after getting your land, now we want to analyze for an acre. You understand? 1 acre. You got that? 1 acre. All right. Now, for we as a company, we can plant 1,000, between 700 and 1,000 in an acre. Now, that determines the land. We have 4 kinds of land. For example, I told you before, we are into land survey. So we come and test your land to know the kind of land you have that is best, So we tell you what can be best to be planted on it. I don't know if you get that. All right. Now, for example, some land you can plant 1,000, you can plant 800, you can plant 700 like that. So, but you are going to be picking 700 for generality. Are you following me now? All right. Now, this is 700 to be planted in an acre. Are you getting me now? Now, I'm going to give you the cost analysis, but I want to show you the profit first. You get it now? All right. Now, our hybrid is Cameroon hybrid. I told you before. So we import our suckers. There are different kinds of suckers. Suckers is the seedling for plantain. You get it now? Is the seedling for plantain. Now our seedling can give you up to 5. I will show you here. Now follow me. Our suckers, that is our hybrid, takes 8 to 9 months for harvest. It takes 8 to 9 months for harvest. It does not take more than a year. I've seen farms where it's over 1 year. In fact, there's a farm I'm rescuing now. The client called me and they've planted for more than a year and 3 months, and it's not fruity yet. You understand? That is why you must choose the hybrid. Know the hybrid you buy in the market before you buy. So it takes 8 to 9 months for harvest. Now, for our hybrid, we have 5 harvests. Actually, our hybrid can give birth to 10 children. I'll be showing you when we get inside the farm. Now, it can give birth to 12 children, 10 children, 8 children, but we are going to be giving just 5 for generality and simplicity. We are not trying to blow your mind, but we are giving you reality. You can come to the farm anytime. We are going to show you all of this we are talking about. So we are going to have 5 harvests on our suckers. You get that now? Now, remember we are planting 700, and now we are going to be putting 50 as mortality. Now, for example, wind could affect us. You get it now? But we have our way to control wind. We have weed control. Yes, for the weed control, we have a method of controlling weed. So, all in all, when we are planting an acre, we put 50 as mortality. Luckily, you may get less than that. You know, we have monkey. Yes. Some person said cow. We have all our ways of control. When you come, as we enter the farm, I'll be showing you practicals inside the farm. So we are putting 50 for mortality, and we are now taking 650 as final harvest. Oh, did you get that, please? We are taking 650 for our final harvest. So if we plant 700, it takes 8 to 9 months for harvest, and our suckers give you 5 harvests on one sucker now. So we are putting 50 more of mortality. So we are going to be harvesting 650. Now we are going to put our market price. I'll be showing you our bunch, so you see what we are talking about. Why we are making our market price for 600 is because we'll be selling on large quantity. So what you are saying on large quantity is what you can buy the bond for 1,200. Some you can buy it for 1,500. I'll be showing you on this video as we go along inside the farm. Are you following me now? All right, now listen. Now 600 times, which is the price. 600 is our price. You get that? Now 600 times 650, which is our final produce, and for first harvest. Now remember, we are going to be harvesting 5 times. You get it now? So if we times 600 times 650, I'd like you to press a calculator there. I'd like you to take a calculator. Now, have you pressed your calculator? You're not with your calculator, please. Okay, let me show you now. Follow me. Now, if you're going to times it, it will be 600, which is the company price now that you're going to sell in bulk. I will be showing you the size, you don't have problem. Times 650, your first harvest, you'll be having 319,000 naira for first harvest. Are you following me now? Now, remember I said our hybrid can give you up to 12. I'll be showing you inside the farm. Some can give you 8, some can give you 6, some can give you 2, depending on management. That is why you must come to Jadai farm. All right. Now, it will be 390,000 times 5. This is on the 5th harvest. What you'll be getting is 1.950. That's 1,950,000. Press your calculator, you get it there. Are you following me now? Now, for you to get this complete 5 harvest, is going to be after the first 8 months or 9 months, depending on management and weather for rain. Now, in interval of 4 to 5 months interval for another harvest. For example, after this, for example, this is the 8 months and we're already harvesting. After 4 months, you get another harvest. After another 4 months, you get another harvest. After another 4 months, you get another harvest. After another 4 months, you get another harvest, and you get the final harvest, which become 5 cycle. That is what will generate 1,950,000. All right. I hope you get it to this point. Now, take for example, you are going to be planting 9,000 suckers. Now, you can plant 9,000 suckers in 10 acres. You can plant also in 8 acres. But that depends on the land. You know, some land are forests. So each time they cut down, there are some big tree. But if you are the one with string cuts, you will know that when you come to Jedi. You understand that now? Now, take for example, we are planting 9,000 suckers. Now, our market price is this 600 naira. I hope you follow me to that point. Now, okay, let's put because when you are planting this, we give you for mortality. So we have subtracted mortality from the 9,000. So we put 1,000 for mortality. So we are now putting there 600 times 9,000. That becomes in the first harvest 5,400,000. That is 5.4 million for first harvest. You can multiply it. You see it there now. Now, we said that our hybrid bring 5 cycle is more than that. Now, if we are now timesing this, which is in 5 cycle, it will be 5.4 million times 5. And that becomes what? 27 million in 5 cycle, which is 8 months plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he's making 5. So we have 8 months. 8 plus 8, 16, right? 16, 20, right? That is how many? No. That is 24. 24 months. That is 2 years. So approximately in 2 years, and 5 months, you are generating 27 million planting 9,000 suckers. Does that give you wow? Sorry, let me clean my sweater. Does that surprise you? Oh my God. Now, let me take you to the farm and show you practical. In some of our farms, we are already harvesting. In some of our farm, we are still planting. We have the 30 acres we are planting. We have the 22 acres we are harvesting. We have the 5 acres we are harvesting. And all of this, I'll be showing you practical life inside the farm. You need to come to agriculture. See, I'm a medical person. And I left medical, I still practice in a way, and came into agriculture because we must terminate hunger in our country. Can I follow you now? Can you follow me to the next stage now? All right, now follow me as we go along.